Good morning, children. Welcome back to Oma's online class. Children, open your textbook, page number 142. See, children, here, first and second sums we already discussed. Now we are going to discuss the third one. Arrange the following sets of fractions in the ascending order. Here we have to arrange the numbers into ascending order.
2 by 5, 3 by 10 and 7 by 15. Now we have to arrange these numbers into ascending order. Now here see the denominators, children. What are the denominators here? 5, 10, 15. We have to do these three numbers LCM. LCM of 5, 10 and 15. LCM of 5, 10 and 15. Now we have to do the LCM of three numbers. So what are the numbers? 5, 10, 15. Three numbers ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ త్రీ నెంబర్స్కి కలిపి చేయాలి LCM. ఓకే చూడండి ఇప్పుడు what are the three numbers? 5, 10, 15. These three numbers are divisible in which table? Yes, 5 table. Now write here the number 5. In 5 table, 5 is divisible in how many times? 1 time. And yet 10 is divisible in 2 times. And 15 is divisible in 3 times. Okay children? This is the last one. So LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is equals to what are the numbers here? 5, 1, 2, 3. 5 into 2 into 3 into 1 equals to how much? 5 2s are, what is the number? 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. Here the LCM is 30. LCM equals to what is the number? 30. We have to take this number into denominator now. See the first one, what is it here? First number is 2 by 5 equals to, see here, in 5 table, 30 is there or not there? How many times 30 is there in 5 table? Yes, 6 times. Very good. 5 into 6. 2 into 6 also. Here we have to write the number, denominator and numerator also. See here, 2 6 are, how much? 2 6 are 12. Next 5 6 are 30. Here what is the denominator? The LCM and the denominator, both these numbers are same. Next see the next one here, 3 by 10. 3 by 10. See here, 3 by 10. In 10 table, 30 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? Yes, very good. 3 times. 10 3 is 30. Here also we have to write into 3. 3 into 3 is equals to 3 3. So 9 by 10 3 is 30. Next 7 by 15. 7 by 15 equals to 7 into by 15 into. See children, in 15 table 30 is how many times are there? 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. Here also 2, here also 2. We have to multiply this number, numerator and denominator. No? So 7 twos are 14 by 15 twos are 30. So what are the three numbers here children? Once see here, 12 by 30, 9 by 30 and 14 by 30. Among these three numbers, which number is the smallest number? 9 by 30. 9 by 30. And next number, these two numbers, which number is the smallest number? 12 by 30. And next 14 by 30. This is the ascending order now. And again see children, hence 9 by 30 comes from which number? 9 by 30 comes from 3 by 10. Like the first 3 by 10. Next 12 by 30 comes from 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Next 14 by 30 comes from 7 by 15. 7 by 15. This is the ascending order. See second one, the factors of 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 11 by 12. Here now we have to do the LCM of 6, 9, 12. LCM of 6, 9 and 12. See here, 6, 9, 12. These three numbers are divisible in one table only. Okay, which table these three numbers are divisible? 6 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6 twice. 9 also there in 3 table. 12 also there in 3 table. Now we have to go through the 3 table. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Next 3 2s are 12. See children, here 2 is divisible in 2 table, but 3 is not divisible in 2 table. No? Just leave this number. And next 4 is there in 2 table. No? Right here 2. 2 ones are 2. Here 3 is not there, no children. That's why we have write only 3 here only. 3 లేదు కాబట్టి 3 ని ఇలానే రాయండి. నెక్స్ట్ 2 2s are 4. చూడండి నాన్న, ఇక్కడ 2 టేబుల్లో 3 అనేది లేదు కదా, అందుకని ఇక్కడే యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ గా 3 రాసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, నౌ వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ హియర్? 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are how much children? 36. Okay, now what is the LCM? LCM is equals to 36. ఇక్కడ మనకి డినామినేటర్ లో ఏ నెంబర్ రావాలి? 36. Okay, now see here children, first number is 5/6. First number is 5/6. No, 5 into by 6 into. In 6 table 36 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 6 6 are 36. Here also 6. 5 6 are how much? 5 6 are 30. And next 6 6 are 36. The second number is 7/9. Second number is 7/9. 7/9 into. In 9 table 36 is there or not there children? Yes. How many times? 4 times. Now 9 4s are 36. Here also 4 numerator and denominator lo oka number veskoవాలి multiplication. 7 4s are 28. Next 9 4s are 36. The third number is 11/12. 11/12. In 12 table 36 is there or not there children? Yes. How many times? 3 times. No? 11 into 3 by 12 into 3. 11 3s are 33. Next 12 3s are how much? 36. Just write these 3 numbers. 30/36, 28/36, and next 33/36. These are the numbers. Among these 3 numbers, which number is the smallest number to write the ascending order at first? 28/36. Right here 28/36. Next one is 30/36. Next one 33/36. Hence here 28/36 comes from 7/9. 7/9. Next 30/36, 6/5. Sorry, 5/6. 5/6. Next one is 11/12. 11/12. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నింటినీ ఇక్కడ రాసుకొని అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లోకి ఫామ్ చేయాలి. మనం అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లోకి రాసిన తర్వాత మనకు అసలు ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్స్ ఇవేనా కాదు, మన క్వశ్చన్లో వేరే నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, ఆ నెంబర్స్ ఏమైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ నెంబర్స్ని రాసి అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో రాయాలి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఫామ్.
And fourth Roman, arrange the following sets of fractions in the descending order. Now here we are going to write the fractions into descending order.
Here 5/6, 13/15, 9/10. Again we have to do the LCM of these 3 numbers. LCM of 6, 15 and 10. LCM of 6, 15 and 10. See children, 6, 15 and 10. In which table these 3 numbers are there children? 6 is there in 2 table. And also 6 is there in which table? 3 table also is there. 15 is there in which table? 5 table and 3 table. And 10 is there in 2 table and 5 table and 10 table. Just first we have to take the 2 table. Because these 2 numbers are there, no? Take 2 table. 2 3s are 6. 15 is not there, no? Write as 15. And next 2 5s are 10. Like again see children, what is the number here? 3 15 5. 3 15 5. These numbers are there, no? In 3 table 15 are there or not there? Yes. So take the in 3 table 15 is there or not there children? In 3 table. Yes, 3 table 15 is there, no? So take here 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 which how many times? 5s are 15 and again 5 is not there, no? Just write 5 only. Here 5 is there. 2 5s are there, no? Write here 5 table. 1 1 1. ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ 5 ఎందుకు రాసామంటే 5 3 టేబుల్ 5 లేదు కదా, సో రైట్ హియర్ డౌన్ యాజ్ 5 ఓన్లీ, సేమ్ నెంబర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఎల్సిఎం హియర్? 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are how much? 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. What is the LCM number here? LCM is equals to 30. What is the LCM number, children? LCM number is 30. The first one is 5 by 6 is equals to 5 into 6 into. In 6 table 30 how many times? 5 times. Here also we have to write 5. 5 5s are 25. And next 6 5s are 30. Next the second number is 13 by 50. In 15 table 30 is how many times are there? 2 times now. See here 30 into 15 into 2 2. 32s are how much? 26. 26 by 30. Next the third number is 9 by 10. 9 into 10 into. In 10 table 30 how many times are there? 3 times now. 3 3. 9 3s are 27 and next 10 3s are 30. So write these numbers here down. 25 by 30. Next 26 by 30. 27 by 30. Write the descending order means what? Big number to small numbers. No, among these numbers, which number is the smallest number? Biggest number. 27 by 30 is the big number. Write this number as first one. Why? Because descending order means big number to small number. No, 27 by 30. Next 26 by 30. Next 25 by 30. So hence 27 by 30 comes from which number? 27 by 30 comes from 9 by 10. Now right here 9 by 10. Next 26 by 30 comes from 26 by 30, 13 by 15. 13 by 15. Next which number is there? 5 by 6. 5 by 6. This is the descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. చూడండి నాన్న, ఇక్కడ మనం ప్రతి నెంబర్కి ఏం చేస్తున్నామో ఎల్సిఎం చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ప్రతిసారి డిఫరెంట్ డినామినేటర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎల్సిఎం చేసి ఎల్సిఎం వస్తుంది కదా, ఆ నెంబర్ మనకి డినామినేటర్లో వచ్చేలాగా ఏ నెంబర్నైనా మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే.
See the next one, addition of fractions. Okay children, now see here the example. Like fractions are added by simply adding their numerators. Here the numbers are 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8 plus 17 by 8. Simply we have to add the numerators.
Children, we already discussed additions by two fraction numbers. No, here the three numbers are there. But what is the denominator here? The denominator is common. So we have to just add the numerators only. See here, what is the denominator number? The denominator number is 8. The numerator is 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals to how much? 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 5 plus 12, 6 by 8. That's all. Okay. In the denominator same one ఒకటి వేసేసుకున్నాం ఆటోమేటిక్గా. పైన న్యూమరేటర్స్ ఏం నెంబర్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో దాన్ని అన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేసేసి వేయాలి. డినామినేటర్ ఇస్ కామన్ నెంబర్ టు రైట్ 8 as a 8.
See the second Roman, simplify. See the example here children. Here the numbers are mixed fraction 1 3 by 5 plus 2 1 by 2. First what we have to do? Convert mixed numbers to fractions. Here we have to convert the mixed numbers to the fraction. Afterwards find the LCM. Here we have to do the LCM of 5 and 2. So 5 and 2, the LCM is 10. Here 8 by 5 plus 5 by 2 is there. Now we have to convert the denominators as 10. See children, first the number is 8 by 5. 8 by 5 into 2 by 2. Why? Because in 5 table 10 is 2 times are there. No, that's why we have to write into 2. 8 into 2 is equals to 16. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. The next number is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 5, 5. 5 5 is a 25. 2 5 is a 10. So what is the numbers here? 16 by 10 plus 25 by 10 equals to what is the addition here? 41 by 10. Again we have to convert the number into mixed number. Why? Because the first starting number is mixed number. No, that's why again we have to convert the answer into mixed number only.
These two numbers we have to add. These two numbers are mixed numbers. No, 1 2 by 3 plus 2 1 by 3. 1 2 by 3 plus 2 1 by 3 is the number. We have to convert these two numbers into improper numbers. Change the mixed number into which number? Improper fraction. See children, change the mixed number into improper fraction. We have to change these two numbers into improper fractions. First take the first number 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3 means what I know? Simply I don't know. Here we have to keep into and here we have to write plus. Okay, the denominator is common. 3 into 1 plus 2. See 3 into 1 plus 2. So 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 by 3. The next number is 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3. What I told children? Yes, very good. Here we have to keep into and here we have to keep plus. See here the denominator is 3. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 plus 1 equals to 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7 by 3. Okay, 7 by 3. Here the two numbers, the two denominators are equal. It is easy to find out the addition of children. Now write these two numbers. 5 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Now add these two numbers. The denominator is same. We have to write 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 equals to how much? 5 plus 7 is equals to how much children? Yes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 by 4. 12 by 3. Okay children, in 3 table 12 is there or not there? Tell me 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So cancel this 3 1s are 3, 4s are. So here write the number 4. What is the question here? 1 2 by 3 plus 2 1 by 3 equal to 4. Okay children?
Addition of unlike fractions.
Unlike fractions must first be converted into like fractions to have same denominators. Unlike fractions, we have to convert it into the like fractions to have the same denominator. Then add up in the same way as the addition of like fractions. Afterwards, we have to add the same way like the unlike fractions. Okay, ఇప్పుడు మనకి లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఎలా అయితే యాడ్ చేస్తామో అలా యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఎప్పుడు అన్లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాటిని అన్నిటిని డినామినేటర్స్ని కన్వర్ట్ చేసి మనం లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్కి తీసుకోవాలి. ఆ లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నార్మల్గా మనం ఎలా ఎడిషన్ చేస్తాము లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ని అలా ఎడిషన్ చేయాలి. నౌ సీ ద ఫస్ట్ రోమన్ హియర్.
Carry out the following additions. See children here, carry out the following additions.
See the first one. 2 by 5 plus 4 by 15. 2 by 5 plus 4 by 15. Here the denominators are different. So here we have to do the LCM of this. We have to do these two numbers LCM. See here. Number 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5. Next number is 15. 5 threes are 15. And next 3 ones are 3. 5 threes are 15. 3 ones are 3. So here what is the LCM children? LCM of 5 and 15. See here, LCM of 5 and 15 equals to, here what are the numbers? 5. See, 5 equals to 5 into 1. Next, 15 equals to 5 into 3 into 1. No? Right here that numbers. 5 into
3 into 1. Here, see children, which numbers are common numbers here? The 5 is the common number. So, LCM is equals to we have to write only one time, no? 5 into 3 into 1. So, here what is the LCM? 5 3 is a 15. 15 1 is a 15 only. So, the LCM is 15. See children, the sum is 2 by 5 plus 4 by 15. What is the LCM? LCM is equals to 15. We have to take this 15 into denominators now. See here, the first one is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. In 5 table, 15 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 3 times, no? Right here. 2 into 3 by 5 into 3. 2 3 is a 6 by 5 3 is a 15. We get the answer 15 now. See here. 2 3 is a 6. 5 3 is a 15. The denominator and the LCM, both the two numbers are same. Next, what is the number? 4 by 15 now? Right here. 4 by 15. In 15 table, 15 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 1 time. So, 4 into 1 by 15 into 1. 4 ones are? Yes, very good. 4. 15 ones are? 15. So, here the two numbers denominators are equal. No? Now, it is easy to find out the addition. See here, write these two numbers 6 by 15, 4 by 15. Right here. What are the numbers? 6 by 15 plus 4 by 15. Here the denominator is same. So write here the denominator number. What is the denominator number? 15. No, right here 15. See here 6 plus 4 is equals to how much? 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Okay, 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So, see children here, that the denominators are different. So, we have to do the LCM. Two denominators different, no? So, we have to do the LCM. What is the LCM number? LCM number is 15. We have to take this 15 into two numbers denominator. What is the first one? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 equals to 2 into 3 by 5 into 3. Why? Because in 5 table 3 times are there, no 15. So 5 into 3. 5 3 is a 15. 2 3 is a 6. Next 4 by 15 equals to 4 into 1. 4 1s are 1. 4 1s are 4. 15 1s are 15. Here both the denominators are same. 6 by 15 plus 4 by 15 equals to, what is the number here? 6 plus 4 is equals to how much? Yes, very good. 10 by 15. Second sum, 3 by 8 plus 5 by 15. 3 by 8 plus 5 by 15. What is the denominator's numbers here? The denominator numbers are different. So what we have to do here, children? Yes, very good. We have to do these two numbers LCM. See here, 8. What is the first number? 8. Say 8 in two table. 8 is there or not there? Yes. 2 4s are 8. Next 2 2s are 4. And next 2 1s are 2. Okay children, see here 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. The next number is 12. Right here number 12. 12 is also there in which table? 2 tables. So here take number 2. 2 6 are 12. And again 6 is there in 12 table only, no? 2 3s are 6. And next 3 1s are 3. So total what are the numbers here? 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So here, see here 8 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Next 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Okay children, see here. Here among these numbers, which numbers are the common numbers here? LCM numbers. To multiply the LCM, no, see here 2 is a common number here.
and write here 1 2, and next here also the next 2 is also the common number, no, and again write here 2. Next remaining, what are the numbers? 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into the next number, last number is 1. So LCM, what is the LCM number? See here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So now here what is the LCM? Is very good. LCM equals to 24. What is the LCM here? LCM is equals to 24. Now take the first number. What is the first number? 3 by 8 is the first number. No, right here 3 by 8. 3 by 8 equals to 3 by 8 into. In 8 table 24 is there or not there? Tell me children. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So write here 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. Next 8 3s are 24. The denominator and the LCM, both these two numbers are equal. Now is next one, take the number, next number 5 by 12. Right here 5 by 12 equals to 5 by 12 into. Okay, see children, in 12 table 24 is there or not there? 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So here write number 2. The numerator and denominator multiply by the same numbers, no? 5 2s are 10, and next 12 2s are 24. Children, here what are the numbers? 9 by 24 and 10 by 24. Write down here. 9 by 24 plus 10 by 24. Okay. Now what are the numbers here? 9 by 24 plus 10 by 24. 9 plus 10, here we have to do simply. Why? Because the denominators are same, no? This is the like fraction numbers. So we have to add only the numerator numbers. Just write the denominator number. What is the denominator number here? 24. Now add the numerator number. 9 plus 10 is equals to, yes, very good, 19. So what is that number? 9 by 24 plus 10 by 24 is equals to 19 by 24.
Okay children, complete your classwork and homework. Send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you children.